Welcome to the Simply Earth July recipe box. I'm a little late in posting this. I've got no excuse other than 40 pounds of cherries and I don't know how many pounds of strawberries, but it's harvest season here on the farm and things are going to happen as they happen. It's also thundering out, so if you hear some booms, that's what it is. Let's see what we've got. Okay, this looks like it's going to be fun. Got a balloon. All right, let's see what the recipe cards are going to tell us. Oh, a stress ball. Slime. Oh, I love slime. I know what I'm going to be making first. Sweet Dreams bath. Homework diffuser blend. Sweet Dreams roll-on, and lavender scented bubbles. So this sounds like it's a relaxing box. Inside there is psyllium husk powder, labels, and our 4 oils. We've got lavender, tangerine, which actually is one of my favorite essential oils. Oh, this one has to turn a little. Let's see, what do we have? Sweet Dreams, which is cedarwood, Himalayan marjoram, frankincense, lavender, and chamomile. And this one, oof, is fir needle. So I guess we're getting ready for Christmas a little early. All right, so I'm going to make me some slime, and I'll show you how to do that.